In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PDF file using Google Drive, creating PDF. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to turn a document stored in Google Drive into a clean, shareable PDF using only your web browser. Start by opening your browser and heading to drive.google.com. This takes you to the Google Drive homepage where all your files live. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual Google account. Once you're on the Drive homepage, take a moment to locate the file you want to convert. This could be a document you uploaded, a Google Doc you created earlier, or even a file someone shared with you. Clicking the file highlights it and gets it ready for the next step. Now open the file in Google Docs. If your file is already a Google Docs document, clicking it will open it directly in Docs. If it's a different format, like a Microsoft Word file, right-click it, choose Open With, and select Google Docs. This converts the file into a Google Docs version, which makes exporting to PDF fast and reliable. Before exporting, scan through the document for formatting, images, and page breaks. What you see here is what your PDF will look like, so adjust fonts, spacing, or margins if needed. If you want fine control, you can use File, then Page Setup to set paper size and orientation first, but that's optional. When everything looks right, go to the upper left corner of the Google Docs window and click File. From that menu, hover over Download. You'll see several formats available. Choose PDF document, .pdf. In a moment, your browser will download a PDF copy of the document. Depending on your browser settings, it will either appear at the bottom of the window in your Downloads panel or save automatically to your Downloads folder. If you prefer a different file name, you can rename the document in Google Docs before you download, or rename the file in your computer's file manager after it saves. Open the downloaded PDF to double-check that everything appears as expected. Verify page breaks, headers and footers, images, and any links. Links that were clickable in Docs should remain clickable in the PDF. If you spot something off, go back to the Google Docs tab, make your edits, and download as a PDF again. It only takes a moment to update. That's it. You've created a PDF using Google Drive and Google Docs. This approach preserves your layout, is free, and works on any modern browser. Save the PDF somewhere easy to find, and you're ready to share, print, or archive it with confidence.